Hi, Lolly. What are you doing? Looking for new ideas. Not this. Ooh, like. Lavaloo, I've got it.
What is it, bestie?
Let's make mermaids.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna be so awesome.
Huntrix are the perfect makeover candidates. How did we even get here?
Bad timing. Waking Rumi after a concert is a boss level mission.
Hey, Rumi, wake up.
Oh, where am I? What's going on? You're becoming mermaids. Rumi, try it on. Something's missing. Remember the fin?
But what should we make it from?
I've got an idea, a 3D pen.
You're a genius, thanks. Let's draw. I trace the outline from the sketch. I coat it with clear polish, then add gold leaf on top. Now it needs to be attached.
Sounds like a job for a Lolly. With a brush. Fabulous fin is ready.
Perfect. Let's attach it. Done.
Wow, amazing. And this is your future top.
Let's go.
Yep, got it. The latest underwater trend.
So cool. Let's decorate the top with chains. Secure them. Necklace goes on the neck. Well, we did an amazing job.
Glue a heart right here. How do you like your new tail?
Perfect. Nice. A stunning mermaid. Gold suits Rumi so well.
I want to make more tails. Let's run to Mira. All for you. Try it on.
Hey!
Something's off. Just can't tell what.
Maybe try putting it on the legs?
I know what I'm doing. It goes on the legs.
What is that?
Pulling it on.
Oh, Lolly, want some help?
No, I'll do it myself. Then I'll become super duper popular and everyone will see how talented I am.
Is it supposed to look like that?
Oh, something went wrong.
Yeah,
Bestie, let me help after all.
I wanted to make a cool tail myself.
Guys, support Lolly in the comments and tell her she's got this. Voila! Look how cool that tail moves. It just needs a fin. We need materials.
Awesome, I'll be the best fisher. Lavaloo, look, I did it!
Great, I knew you would. Hand it over. Watch this cool hot glue trick. Adding paint to it. Pink and a little purple. Silver shimmer. Mixing everything well with a brush. Now take a wire frame and dip it in. Wow, real magic! The shape is perfect. I'll add pearl powder for shine. I made 3 big fins and 2 small ones. Twisting the ends together. Now just attach it.
Oh my gosh, now we need a top.
Slightly bending the petal to shape it. Attaching details to the doll. Pearly ocean decorations. Ooh, it's so flexible. Mira is such a cutie. Pink suits her perfectly. Look at that cosmetic sparkle on the fin. I love it too.
You look absolutely stunning.
Thanks, Lolly.
Wow, what's glowing over there? Treasure, here I come. We need measurements.
Okay, a little more. And right here.
I memorized everything. I'll draw the pattern now. Line here. Now marking, connecting, and this side.
Shoo.
That wasn't easy.
Lolly, you did amazing. Let's divide it into pieces.
Wait, what's this?
What do you mean? Patterns. You drew them yourself.
No. Let's decorate with rhinestones.
No, Lolly, that won't work.
But why?
Cardboard theme, remember?
Okay. At least colored paper, please.
Let me see. Yep, that works. Laying it out. Oh, what are these piranhas? I'll pick these scissors. They have a scale pattern blade. Cutting the pieces. Perfect fit. Snap, and again. Great. Applying glue and sealing the edges. Assembling the tail piece by piece. Piercing through with skewers. Cutting off the excess. Gluing the tips. Cardboard fin.
Yay, the tail is ready. I'll bring it to Zoe. Express delivery. How do we attach it? She has legs.
Don't worry, I've got it. Take the doll. These pants aren't needed. Hey, who drew on her legs? Lolly, naughty, naughty.
It's body art.
You little troublemaker. It's fine. The tail will cover it anyway. Let's secure it. Swoosh. Super duper.
Our stylish vanity. Where's all the makeup?
Huh?
What are we supposed to use?
I'll order it now. Eyeshadow, blush, lipstick, got it. What time is it?
Take a look.
The courier should already be here.
And here comes the Turtle Express.
Now I see why it took so long. Thanks, buddy. All right, this goes here. Don't move, you're in professional hands. Hold on. Eyeliner, more sparkle, no rushing. Voila.
So, is it pretty?
Something's missing.
Huh?
Right, I forgot lipstick. Carefully. Now that's beautiful.
What's next on the list?
Huh?
Makeup's done. Now the hairstyle.
Got it. I'll need a golden comb. Smooth out the flyaways. Freshen up Rumi's braid.
Look what I've got.
Ooh, hand it over. A luxurious gold cord. Wrapping it around the hairstyle. Adding gemstones. Wow, that's real elegance.
Yeah, it turned out great.
Check it off.
Yes, only the crown left. Will gold wire work?
Huh?
That's perfect. Cutting off a piece. Where should I place the base?
Here, a royal cushion. What's next?
Next, zip ties.
Seriously? Lallaloo, but they're not gold.
Easy fix. Coating them with acrylic, just like this. Now attaching them to the base. Much better.
Wow, that's cool.
Don't you think we should add something?
I know.
We're underwater after all. Oh wow, they're so big and spiky. How do we attach them?
Lallaloo, you're such a scaredy cat.
All right, I've got it. This will work better.
Agreed, looks cute.
See? Attaching them to the crown, decorating with chains.
We need to add glitter.
Wow,
Done.
you're amazing as always, Lolly. Time to put it on the doll. Rumi is a true sea queen. Hey, check out the look. Let's see. Oh, the gold style is definitely mine. Lolly, is that you?
Time to work on your friends. Mira, are you having trouble?
It's so windy, my hair keeps getting in my face. I need a different hairstyle.
Don't worry, I'll help you. Let's brush it out. Your hair is so beautiful. Lallaloo, your turn now.
Thanks for the help.
Yeah.
Separating the side strands and braiding them. Gently pulling the hair to add volume. Twisting the braid and decorating it with a shell. Now wrapping it with the second braid. Okay, we need to figure something out for the bangs.
I decided I'm gonna be the most famous hairstylist in the world. Time to practice.
Okay, then I'll curl the hair with a flat iron. Nice, such bouncy curls.
Wow, that looks amazing. But something's still off. Let me think. I got it. Can I borrow this?
Hey, Lolly, that's my bracelet.
Accessories are everything. It's life or death. There, perfect. A real tiara. All right, we need something unusual.
I'm ready for anything. Shall we start?
Let's do a dramatic makeover.
Oh, okay.
Lolly love. Blonde? No, that's not what I expected. Let's try again.
Cute.
No, redo. Lolly love. Where is my hair? Something didn't go as planned.
Stay calm, girls. We'll fix everything. I'll need craft paper and scissors. Cutting it into thin strips. That's it.
Wow, what do we need that for?
You'll see. Gluing the strands.
I'll help. I can't see anything. Let's trim the bangs. Just like in 5th grade.
Oh, that turned out so cute. But to make it more comfortable for Zoe, I'll roll the hair and twist it into buns.
Kinda basic, right? Huh? I saw something online. Quilling paper.
Great idea, Lolly. Let's unpack it. Grab some black strips. Just a few pieces.
Done. Oh, now accessories. Awesome, the hairstyle is ready. Now we just need...
Hold on.
Right, makeup.
A final step.
I know what we need.
Oh, cardboard makeup.
Yep, and what's that?
A shaped hole punch. Look, you take paper, press it, and it makes a stencil.
Wow, what's it for?
Huh? Let me show you. Place it and stamp the paint. Done!
My head is still buzzing.
Oh.
What a life hack. Now me. Just a little more right here. Ocean makeup. Wow!
See, I told you, you can make anything out of cardboard.
Where are the girls?
Oh, that's Zoe's cabin.
Girls, what are you doing here? I missed you so much. Mira, you're such a fluffy beauty.
Wow.
Check out my cardboard cabin. Pretty cool, right?
You're in great company. Anyway, we're heading to my cabin.
Awesome, I'm coming too.
Whee! Wow, it's so fluffy and fun here.
Look at this cutie.
Absolutely adorable. No way, I love this cabin so much. Hey, Zoe, weren't you hungry?
Yay, noodles. Oh, hurry up.
Hey, what's going on?
My noodles, stop.
Do dolphins like noodles too? I'm shocked.
That's my food, give it back. Oh. Phew, I'm tired. Oh, you're here too?
Mira, how are you doing? I'm uncomfortable. I can't sleep. My tail is tired. Oh, poor thing. Oh, don't worry, I'll fix everything. Let's give your tail a massage. I'm still uncomfortable. My back is stiff. Huh? Wow, is this for me? What an awesome pillow. Whee, you liked it. Now you'll be comfy in your seat. Let's put the pillow on like this. Time to relax. Sweet dreams, Mira. Oh, just look how sweet she sleeps. I can't sleep. The seat is too hard. Lalulu, do something. Zoe is sleeping too. Hey, time to wake up.
Huh? What happened?
Did you forget it's your birthday today?
Right, yay!
This is a little gift for you.
It smells so nice. Thank you. Where are my friends? Did they forget about me?
How could I forget? What kind of friend am I?
We need to wake Mira up right now.
But how? Good thing you've got me. Uno momento. All right, what do I need? A turtle? Why does it keep showing up? An iPhone? But balloons are better. Pink and yellow. Such a fun combo. I squeeze out a bit of each and mix them, but not all the way. Shape them nicely. Put a wire inside. To make the balloon shine like a real one, I coat it with gel and cure it under the lamp. I need 7 in total. Wow! Attach the balloons inside the box and fill it with paper shreds. Whee! Off to Roomy! Here you go, forgetful one.
Thank you, you saved me.
Forward, Roomy, to the fluffy cabin. Our friend is still sleeping.
Wake up!
What's going on?
It's Zoe's birthday today.
Oh no, it totally slipped my mind. What a coincidence. I absolutely love making those. I'll need a piece of cardboard like this. Apply hot glue and attach fur to it. Now the corrugated cardboard. Our sign will mix all styles at once. Cut it and fold the edges toward the center. Next, I mark the outlines. Ta-da! A cute bow appeared. Add a second layer and color it with a marker. Am I doing great or what? I decorate the stand with fancy beads. Lay out the message using golden letters. Ta-da!
Yay! Oh, girls, is all this for me?
Oh my god!
Thank you, you're the best.
And the cake from Lalulu. Oops, wrong one. Here's the right cake.
Wow, that's my photo on it.
Zoe is so happy. Now everyone together.